Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can apply more than one makeup to just one look in Dress to Impress. So I'm just going to press E here. This is only for custom makeup, but I'm just going to select like an eye here and then just like an eyebrow real quick and some lips as well. So for instance, on this like slot, there is like 1 to 4 here. So for instance, I want to add up to like 4 of these makeups. So 1 out of 4, I'm just going to add in the nose first. Then I'm just going to hit the arrow button. Then I can apply on another kind of makeup here. Like maybe these freckles, and then I'll go to slot 3 and I want to add another one, and then we have the last one. I'll just add in, I don't know what that did, this one maybe. And that is pretty much how you can add more, like apply more than like one type of makeup on the last like slot here. And that is pretty much it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!